Hi, this is Vibrate channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off WhatsApp Vibrate notification. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you receive many notifications on your WhatsApp, vibration or haptic feedback can be distracting, which otherwise is quite useful. Wondering how to make your WhatsApp phone notification vibrate only for calls and not for notification? You can turn off your WhatsApp notification vibration. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Tap on notifications. You can see there is an option for message. For every notification like message, individual message, groups, and calls has settings for you can turn on or turn off the vibrate notification. If you want to turn off, you can just tap on the vibrate settings. You can tap on choose on off for vibrate on message notification. You can choose the vibrate here and then tap on OK. And if you want groups, vibrate is turn off, you can tap on vibrate here and choose on turn off. But if you want to use default vibrate, you can tap on default. But if you only want your calls who has the vibrate things, if there's any calls from your contacts, you can tap on vibrate on calls settings. You can choose if the type of vibrate like short or long, or you just want to use the default settings. And that is, if you want to turn off, you can choose on turn off. So only tones on your notification, not the vibrate. So that is how to turn on or turn off vibrate on WhatsApp notification. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.